दोन गजाली आम्ही तुकलेन धरया. Do you accept that Goa is like a 5-star destination? If it is like a 5-star destination, तसे कॉस्टिंग वाढिल्ले आसा ते एखादी मॉविन सांगता आसता. मॉविनाच्या म्हणण्यान दोन आशिल्ले. Practically we have to understand that airfares have gone up and hotels have gone up during season time. What Mavin was trying to tell you was decline केन्ना दाखयले last 15 दीस or 10 दीस डिसेंबराचे.
Big Typhoon brings to you settlement plot at Dargal near Mopa Airport. Price starts from 15,000 rupees per square meter.
डिसेंबराचे प्लॅनिंग लोक ऑगस्ट सप्टेंबरान चवथी वेळा करतात. तेन्ना जेन्ना आमचे डेस्टिनेशनूच कॉस्टली जाता आनी ऑप्शन्स मेळटा, पीपल ऑप्ट फॉर डेस्टिनेशन. नाव पीपल हू गो बॅक टू थायलँड ऑर व्हिएटनाम तुमी म्हणटा आमच्याच इंडियनूच भायले कोण न्ही. सो टुडे वी आर गेटिंग डिपेंडंट ऑन डॉमेस्टिक टुरिस्ट एंड वी हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट फ्लो कंटिन्यूज. As far as the flow is concerned, we have reached about 10 million. Numbers have gone up. But when we look at numbers and we are looking at the December month, what we are asking for is a correction of our overall process. Taxi problem जाता, water sports problem जाता, influencer हे पेपरार घालता, टीव्हीर घालता, मीडियम सोशल मीडियार घालता, airfare वाडटा, हे वाडटा is what Mavin was trying to tell. We have taken up with the center in regards to whether it was a visa issue, whether it is the logistics issue, and since it is a part which is a business proposal for them, we have to ensure that Goa works good. आता गोंया दिल्लीच्यान गोंया येवपाची फेअर आनी दिल्लीच्यान भायर खंयच्या तरी देशांत वचपाची फेअर तुवें चॅक केली जाल्यार यू विल नो दॅट वी रियली नीड टू सिरियसली लुक एट इट आनी आमी वी आर टॉकिंग टू द सेंटर टू सॉर्ट आउट. बट वॉट Mavin said and it's been misinterpreted by the these statements. But what we are talking is a collaborative responsibility, collective responsibility. Every department, everybody needs to work. We are working strongly with the Chief Minister and we are ensuring that whatever needs to be done will be done in the interest of tourism. पण ताज्या खातीर डिक्लायन 10 दिसाची ताका तुमच्या कडेन मागता. जेन्ना प्रेस परत म्हणटा डिक्लायन जाली नंबर्स हांवें तुमकां असेंब्लीन सांगले, प्री कोविड पोस्ट कोविड सांगून दिले. ताज्या मागीर पत्रकार भावां कडेन मागता की आमी जेन्ना डिक्लायन म्हणटा आमीच परसेप्शन तयार करता डिक्लायन म्हणून. वेन वी आर देर आमी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मंथ ऑफ डिसेंबर आणि डिसेंबराची हांवें जेन्ना ऑक्युपन्सी काडली ऑल द हॉटेल्स हॅड 80% ऑक्युपन्सी ऑर मोर. People who didn't come, maybe the free travelers who would travel by the neighboring states would be populating and showing numbers, but not in terms of this hotel industry. हॉटेल इंडस्ट्रीन सांगला 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars वर 80% ऑक्युपन्सी. 1-2 समज 10,000 विकपाक घेतलो आनी तो गेलो ना आणि मागीर तूं म्हणटा ऑक्युपन्सी ना. आय कॅनॉट कमेंट. दॅट्स अ बिझनेस मॉडेल फॉर समबडी. बट रेट्स वाडटा हो चॅलेंज आसा आनी हाजेर आमी लक्ष घाल्लें आसा.
ओके.